We have an exponential expression here. It says 2 raised to power 3n plus 1 minus 2 raised to power 3n all over 3 multiply 2 raised to power 2n plus 1 minus 4 multiply 2 raised to power 2n minus 1. Let us solve this together. The first thing is to factorize, but before we factorize, we are going to expand this term, expand this, and also expand this term. Let us do the expansion now. Let's start with this. We have that 2 raised to power 3n multiply 2 raised to power 1. This expression is the same thing as this. We only expanded it here. Minus 2 raised to power 3n. All over, let's expand this. We have 3 multiply 2 raised to power 2n multiplied by 2 raised to power 1 minus 4 multiply 2 raised to power 2n multiply 2 raised to power negative 1. Now that we have expanded, it becomes very clear for us to do the factorization. Now, is there any term common to both sides of this expression? Yes, 2 raised to power 3n is common to both sides. So we are going to factorize out 2 raised to power 3n so that we have 2 raised to power 3n open bracket. Now this will simply strike off this and we have left 2 raised to power 1, which is the same thing as 2 minus again 2 raised to power 3n go into 3 raised to power 3n, it gives us 1. We have factorized the numerator. Next, let's go to the denominator. Here 2 raised to power 2n is common to both sides of the denominator, so we are going to factor out 2 raised to the power of 2n, then open our bracket. Here, this simply strike off this, and what we have left is 3 multiplied 2 raised to power 1, which gives us 6, minus here 2 raised to power 2n, we simply strike off this 2 raised to power 2n, and we have left 4 multiplied 2 raised to power negative 1. So we have 4 multiply 2 raised to power negative 1 can also be written as 1 over 2. Close our bracket. Here we have 2 raised to the power of 3n. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 multiply 2 raised to power 3n still remain this. All over, we have 2 raised to power 2n. Open bracket. We have 6 here. Now, these 2 we simply go into 4 to give us 2, so that we have here 6 minus 2, close bracket. Now 2 raised to power 3n all over 2 raised to power 2n, 6 minus 2 is 4, and this 4 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 2. We have 2 raised to power 3n all over. Here we have 2 exponential terms with the same base that are related by multiplication. When you have 2 exponential terms with the same base related by multiplication, you represent them with one of the base and add up their exponent, so that we have 2 raised to power 2n plus 2. Here also, we have 2 exponential terms, this and this, that have the same basis and are related by what? Division. When you have 2 exponential terms with the same basis that are related by division, you represent them with one of the base and subtract their exponent, so that we have 2 raised to power 3n minus, we are subtracting the whole of this expression from 3n. So we are going to put it inside bracket, 2n plus 2. So that we have 2 raised to power 3n minus 2n, we open up the bracket and here it becomes minus 2. 2 raised to the power of 3n minus 2n is n minus 2, and this becomes our final answer. Thank you for watching.